Afternoon, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in the additional of the weekend edition. Weekend edition Saturday, Sunday, May the 4th, May the 5th, 2024. It's today actually Sunday, Liberation Day in the Netherlands. And I've already solved two puzzles in this additional, the 3 stars and the 4 star Sudoku. Two puzzles remain, the Jigsaw Sudoku with 4 stars. And this one you are interested. It's the binary puzzle. Binary puzzle number 8487. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 16 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Let me start with O's. Double O. Here one, there one. Now we have 4 ones. So the rest are O's. Between the O's comes in 1. Double O. Here one, there one. Double 1. Here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. Between the ones comes in O. Well, we have here. Between the ones comes in O. Between the ones comes in O. Between the O's comes in 1. Now I need to think. Double O, here one, there one. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between the ones comes an O, between the O's comes an 1. Yeah. Well. We have here 3 O's. If we place number 4 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in the last row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no, this should be 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So the rest are O's. Then let me see. Between the O's comes in 1. Between the ones comes in O. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here in the last column, so the rest are ones. Between the ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. And 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. And now I need, nope, 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. And 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Finish in 3 minutes. Well, we solve it again without comparing. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also for yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle for this afternoon, the Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.